Hello and welcome to FinTech Focus TV. I'm delighted to be joined today by Karen Ching from Amazon Web Services. Hello, Karen.
Well, thank you for having me.
You're very welcome. Please introduce yourself and tell us what you do.
Yeah, so I'm Karen Ching. I'm from Amazon Web Services, and I'm from our Global Financial Services, and I work as a partner sales leader.
Okay, very good, thank you. And look, that's probably a good place to start. I mean, I think most of the world will have heard of AWS and certainly Amazon. Yeah, exactly. But tell us, especially within that financial services sector, how do you partner with firms in this space?
So, I mean, for AWS, we have thousands of partners from us. So it depends whether you're a startup, you're in the middle of the journey, or you're already a full-fledged ISV or FinTech. But at the end of the day, the main tenet for building on AWS and co-selling is we have a mechanism that what we call build, market, sell. Mm-hmm. Because I think marketing and going to market and co-selling starts with innovation. And we always work backwards with our customers, so that's how we build. So if fintechs are seeing a problem that they would like to solve in a particular industry, we provide that platform for them on the build.
Interesting, okay.
And then we make them join our partner network, which is also giving them a chance to learn from other fintechs, right? Because we have summits and like this that really put all the partners together. And then once we build, we do the go-to-market. So that's when the marketing stuff, the creative stuff happens on how we build the campaigns. And of course, the campaign comes with the pipeline, right? So how much we work with the fintechs and our partners to understand what is it that they're trying to achieve with AWS. We always work backwards, right? It's not what we want, it's what you like to achieve with us. And then once we've built that go-to-market, we sell together. So we don't just drop and you go execute. We introduce you to common customers and help you along the sales cycle to land and win. And then not only that, so we love the flywheel in Amazon. So it goes together, for continuous improvement. So once you have that, we harvest it. We put it as referenceable, so we showcase you also what we have done with our customers. We put you on stage so people would know you. Then again, the innovation starts, right? Because that's going to be a self-scaling mechanism moving forward. In a nutshell, that's what we do.
Not just providing the sort of technology infrastructure, which is probably what I would have thought, and associated, you're actually really partnering with firms and actually building a community as well by the sound of it.
There's a unique value that we provide fintechs, to be honest, those who wants to build on AWS. We call ourselves owners and builders because we want to own the business and at the same time we want to build. So once we've built, we make sure that it works for our customers. Because if our customers say, you're not solving the problem, then we go in the drawing board and really guide the fintechs like, look, this is the problem we're solving. Your solution is right for it. This is what we need to do and work backwards from that, right? So because every investment that you put in, for example, you put $1 on the platform, brings back $1.00 to you. So multiplier effect, that's, you can count the zeros here, right?
Yeah, exactly. Hopefully plenty of them. And I'd say in your role, you're in a pretty unique position to see a broad view of the market. I mean, tell us about what trends you're seeing at the moment.
So coming from financial services, we just recently launched the banking in the cloud, and I can send it to you guys and also to the audience, right? Of what are the key trends we're looking? First is core modernization is there. During COVID, people panic a bit on, oh my gosh, my customer is asking a personalized question I cannot even answer and deliver. Now putting them and modernizing them. Start small, right? So most of them start whether with payments or finance. So that core bit needs to somehow be modernized a bit to serve, at the end of the day, customer experience, right? And at the same time, I always say it's also user experience, right? Technology will not replace what we call the butts in seats. We need the user experience to be enhanced as well, so that's an enabler. The second part we're seeing is the trajectory in payments, right? So everybody's in this geopolitical economic stage right now. How do you now automate and transform the loan and credits part of it, right? Again, it's more on the experience in the user. The third one is very prevalent is payments. A lot of regulations are coming into payments. All the banks right now are becoming tech savvy about payments, and they're actually selling their solution to the markets.
Yeah.
Right? Whether it's B2C, open banking, whether it's B2B at the end of the day for an investment bank to go to a brokerage firm or even cross-border payments. So fraud and financial crime is front and center of that.
Yeah.
So we're seeing that as a trend. And of course, if there's another level for hyper-personalization, please help us. Because we're looking at every customer, your need right now is different from my need. And the definition of real time is not tomorrow, it's now when I ask it. And now we're in the advent of generative AI. How can we now address the root cause right away to help our customers? So those are the things that we're doing with Anthropic, with Bedrock, Minstrel, building those models and training those models to help the customer, say, Barclays or HSBC for the likes. It's a big, massive customer base, right? They need these tools to be able to gather insights from customers and how to better shape the products that we offer to the customers, right?
Yeah.
It needs some evolution at the same point. So what we're seeing right now on a banking perspective.
Understand, but the theme I'm picking up with everything you're saying is it starts with the customer.
Yes.
Is the center of everything, and then work backwards what the problems are.
Yes.
Who should reach out to you?
Yeah, so I think if you're a fintech, I will look at the camera. So if you're a fintech looking to build on the cloud, if you read about Monzo, if you read about Oak North, who is an SMB lending company, they're built on AWS. We're here to support. We have programs where you can build on AWS. You can reach out to me. I'm Karen Ching, and I will connect you to our fintech startup teams and even our partner teams if you want to co-sell with us. What does it take to be partnering with AWS so you have access to the network that we have? And not only access, right? We literally help you build the business with AWS as well.
Fantastic. Karen, thank you so much for taking time to talk to us.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for watching.